Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're exploring Malt, a freelance platform found at malt.com. This platform connects businesses with freelance professionals across a variety of fields. It's a great resource for companies seeking specialized skills and expertise for short-term projects or ongoing collaborations. Malt offers a streamlined approach to finding, vetting, and hiring freelancers, simplifying the often complex process of talent acquisition. For freelancers, Malt provides a platform to showcase their skills, experience, and portfolios to a broad audience of potential clients. The platform facilitates direct communication between freelancers and businesses, enabling efficient project scoping and contract negotiation. Malt also handles the administrative aspects of invoicing and payments, allowing freelancers to focus on delivering high-quality work. The platform features a robust search function, enabling businesses to quickly identify freelancers with the specific skills and experience required for their projects. Detailed freelancer profiles provide comprehensive information on past projects, client testimonials, and areas of expertise. This transparency empowers businesses to make informed decisions and select the best talent for their needs. Furthermore, Malt offers secure payment processing and dispute resolution services, ensuring a safe and reliable transaction environment for both businesses and freelancers. It streamlines the entire hiring process from initial contact to project completion, reducing administrative overhead and facilitating seamless collaboration. Whether you're a business seeking specialized talent or a freelancer looking for new opportunities, Malt can be a valuable resource. The platform fosters a dynamic marketplace where businesses and freelancers can connect, collaborate, and achieve their respective goals. The platform's focus on transparency, security, and efficiency creates a positive experience for all parties involved. It's designed to simplify the often challenging process of finding and hiring freelancers, allowing businesses to quickly access a global pool of skilled professionals. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Malt has become a popular choice for businesses of all sizes seeking to leverage the power of the freelance economy. Remember to check out the link in the description below.